Somebody looking for a career should take a job at Rodgers due to the people. That's ultimately the reason why I accepted my job. In my opinion, pretty much all land development and civil engineering firms are going to be doing along the same lines, pretty much similar work. You're going to be developing improvement plans, you're going to be working on those drainage studies, you're going to be using CAD. And while Rodgers does those and does them really well, both in terms of the tools they provide and the teaching they offer, I'd say in the end, it's the people that you work with and your coworkers and teammates that are really going to make the difference and the impact in the projects you're working on. And Rodgers has so many great people in all aspects of the design process. Our transportation team, our geotechnical team, our civil team, everyone's just phenomenal to work with. They're great people, and I've worked with some people as well as have met some people across all of our office. So I'm not just talking about Sacramento, but this is Sacramento, Reno, San Diego, Pleasanton. There's great people in all of those offices, and so many of them are happy to work with you, and they're happy to share their knowledge and help you learn the concepts behind the design, at least for me as someone who is a bit newer to the industry and has a lot to learn.
Well, Rodgers really is set up so that the employee can succeed and always be getting better. We've got monthly professional development meetings, we have a plethora of trainings that are available to you, and we also have events after work, so it's just a really great environment where you feel like you are growing both professionally and as an individual all the time.
Well, Rodgers is a multidisciplinary firm, so there are many different types of professionals here. All of whom are really smart and all of whom bring a lot to the table when we are talking about projects. The projects are really varied. Oftentimes, especially with the landscape architects, we end up interfacing with all the departments at Rodgers because eventually there's going to be an engineer who needs something prettied up by a landscape architect. And we've gotten, and then from that prettying up, quote unquote, just giving conceptual ideas how to make something more aesthetic or more integrated into a community where the engineers are working, we end up actually doing that work and helping the engineers build that project so that it fits seamlessly and is integrated into the communities that they're working into. So I think that's really one of the strong points of Rodgers. I think another attribute of working here is being able to sort of be in charge of your own professional destiny. While everybody has a boss and everybody has to be accountable to not only their boss but their coworkers and colleagues, the opportunity exists here to kind of do what you want and to make what you would like out of the opportunities that are presented to you. And it's not all firms are like that. A lot of firms just kind of tell you what to do and that's it. And where I think we excel at Rodgers is giving people the opportunity to spread their professional wings and to not only learn while doing, but to create while doing and to help make the built environment a much better place.